tayo dito sa ating character. Ang rules po natin ay bawal na bawal siyang batukan, itulak, tadyakan. Okay? Ang makita ko pong lumabag sa ating rules ay mapipilitan ko pong ibalik si Birdie sa McDonald's. Naintindihan po ba? Okay, dahil dyan, syempre merong inendang dance sa inyo si Birdie. Okay, bago siya sumayaw, syempre nag-request si Birdie ng mataas na energy na manggagaling sa inyo. Malakas na palakpakan na dyan para kay Birdie. Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan para kay Birdie? Grabe, pamababa. Team Devon talaga. And of course, tinatawagan ko po si Daddy. Asan po si Daddy?
Inihingalo.
Okay, dahil syempre inaayahan ko naman po kayong tumayong lahat para po sabay-sabay natin kantahan ng happy birthday si Zoe.
This is the moment.
Okay, in a 1, and a 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa yung mas malakas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. He's doing the
Ano ba siya?
Gangnam
Hindi
Style.
mawala ang wish ni Daddy para kay Zoe.
Ayan, sana ayusin mo yung pag-aaral mo at lumaki ka maayos na bata at matakot sa Diyos. Ayun lang, may happy ka sa akin sa
Look,
birthday.
construction site.
And of course, you baby, what is your wish? Your ate.
I wanna eat. Look, food. Look, food. Kain.
Okay, and once again, kanta ulit natin siya ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, Zoe, make a wish. Okay, wish ka na. Then after mag-wish, it's time to blow the candle.
Ay, put na.
Happy birthday. Okay, Zoe, make a wish. Then after your wish it's time to blow your candle. Okay, blow your candle.
Kasi tayo. Doon, mamaya. Doon na kay bird. Kay ano? Kay bird. Okay. Pakita mo si Zoe. Yung si Zoe na kaano. Oh, let me show you Zoe
Candle
again.
mo. Ate Zoe.
So you get a better view. Dad, you see her? Crush ka ni anime.
Okay, Zoe, blow your candle.